All right, we're here at PMIAS with Keith Hurst of Tower Force. Keith, tell us a little bit about Tower Force.
Well, we do repair, alterations, and maintenance to pressure vessels, mainly towers. Everything from well repairs to resections and tray and packing replacements.
All right, so here at PMIS, you've got production engineers, maintenance engineers. Are those the type of guys you want to get in front of?
Absolutely, absolutely. That and end user, any end user position, reliability people, mainly turnaround and maintenance, planning and scheduling people.
Keith, geographically, what's your sweet spot? Gulf Coast, outside the Gulf Coast, where can you serve?
We work anywhere. I've had people in India. We've had people overseas. Mainly the Gulf Coast. We work from West Virginia all the way to Wyoming at this point in time. A lot of work over the years on the West Coast. A little more challenging nowadays with the SB-54, but we're working on that as we speak.
Now you have a new building. Talk a little bit about that. What's your square footage there, and what are your capabilities out of that new location?
We've got a new 10,000 square foot warehouse and office right on Railroad Street, which is basically Highway 225, right close to Beltway 8 here in Deer Park, Texas.
Well, Keith, we're so thankful for your business. We appreciate your relationship with Vic.
It's been going on for many years, and I appreciate it.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
It's perfect.